This is my last show.
Oh, when you have your star.
I got this from Tom. Special wand, so I'm like handing the show to Bree. Yeah, poof be gone. Right?
First things first, you're not going away completely, right?
No, I'll just be on the 5, 6, and 10 reporting.
Okay.
So.
And this is Bree Groves, and we've been introducing you all week. And
Yep.
Bree's going to be with us starting Monday every day. Well,
At
not
5
every day,
a.m.
unless you get a vacation day or
Yeah,
something. here
Monday
and
through
there.
Friday, every Monday through Friday.
We're excited to have you. It's
Yeah.
going to be great.
Thank you. Yes, I'm very excited to be here and make this my home. I think it'll be fun, and I love the area so far.
Yeah, this
Got-
week has been fun. I'm sad I'm going to leave you guys.
I kind of was digging this
I
dual anchor thing going on
Maybe
here.
we can just pull her
Yeah.
and keep me. See?
Maybe I can be a special guest once in a while, right?
Let's have a powwow with the boss man. We'll see what happens.
All right, time to say hi to our Facebook friends of the day now.
All right, first up is Kathy Weltsey from Bonduel. Kathy likes NASCAR and eating mac and cheese.
Next is Sarah Holmstrom from Green Bay. Sarah likes fishing and playing dominoes.
And each Friday, our Facebook friends will have the chance to win a free 5-pack of Orange Julius premium fruit smoothies, still provided by our friends at Dairy Queen. Just become a friend of our Facebook page, NBC26, to win. And today's lucky winner of the free 5-pack of Orange Julius fruit smoothies is Jessica Benversi. Adorable dog picture right there.
I know, I love that dog. Now it's time to share our Dairy Queen football picture of the week. Our third winner comes from Shannon Schmidtneck of Kimberly. This is a picture of the Storms rolling in during the Kimberly versus Little Chute 7th grade game, and it was a Kimberly win. Do they play Kaukauna tonight? I think they do.
The high school team plays Kaukauna. Kimberly is rock solid as usual. They look awesome again this year.
Shannon wins a gift certificate, good for a DQ 6-pack of Blizzards.
All right, you can win too. Just send your favorite football picture to iContribute at NBC26.com. We'll pick a winner every Tuesday in September. The Dairy Queen football picture of the week is only on NBC26 today.
And that's the last time I get to read those Orange Julius and Dairy Queen things.
That's probably one thing you won't miss as much as the people.
You guys have got this. You guys have got
We'll
this
be all
down.
right, yeah.
We'll miss you guys. Thanks for watching NBC 26 today. The Today Show's up next. I'll see you Monday at 5 p.m.